Welcome guys. iPhone 11 Pro had become a new breakthrough from Apple in 2019, namely by bringing a new and elegant design which is still being continued with its successor version. Alright, in this video I will do a brief review of what we can discuss with this phone. Especially, is it still worth it in 2022? Alright, let's just do the unboxing. For the design of the front, edges and back of this cell phone, it can still be considered contemporary considering that it is still being used by its successors. And do I think it's still worth it for this year? Yes, I would say this phone is still very worth using this year, especially the OS support which is still running until the latest version is currently iOS 15.3, equipped with the Apple A13 Bionic chipset with very large storage. Alright, that's all a little review and unboxing that I can do. Hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.